Hi! In this video, you will learn tips on animating magical appearance using clipstudiopaint. Before proceeding, I recommend reading the articles in the description below to learn about the basic animation features of clipstudiopaint. Duplicating and merging layers. After drawing the figure or object in a folder and the raster layers, I duplicated the layers and merged the layers into one. Tip: click layer, then duplicate layer to create copies of your layers, and then click layer again to merge selected layers to combine the layers into single layer. Creating new animation folder. Afterward, I click animation, new animation layer, followed by animation folder. I named the folder Magical Appearance and drag the figure copy into the folder layer, showing the timeline and the cells on track. In the timeline, I click the start frame or frame 1, then figure copy to show it on the track, and also on the canvas. Take note that I did the same step for the subsequent copies of the figure copy in the succeeding process. Tip: to show the timeline in your workspace, click Window, then Timeline. Painting the duplicate layers with white. I duplicated figure copy and named it Figure Cop Z and place it above figure copy layer. I click the second frame, then figure Cop Z to show it on the track and canvas. Take note, click the second or next frame after the start or first frame to insert the figure Cop Z on track. Take note that you may do the same steps that were explained in showing the timeline and the cell on track, to show the figure Cop Z and the subsequent layers later on the track of the timeline. Then I click the figure Cop Z, followed by lock transparent pixels to color the bottom part of the figure using white color. Here is a short video clip to show you how I color the figure Cop Z using the lock transparent pixel. I use the airbrush to color the part. Here is the picture to show you the transition from figure copy to figure Cop Z. I duplicated figure Cop Z, rename the layer figure Cop ZA. I insert figure Cop ZA on the third frame of the track. Note, I did the same steps from showing the cells on the track to coloring it white using the lock transparent pixels to color the part of the drawing. I color the half part of the figure white. Here is a picture to show you the transition from figure Cop Z to figure Cop ZA. I duplicate another layer and name it figure Cop ZB. I did the same process to insert figure Cop ZB on the fourth frame of the track in the timeline. Here is a short video clip to show you the process I did to color the figure Cop ZA and figure Cop ZB. I colored the entire figure of figure Cop ZB with white color. Please take note that every time that I color the figure, I click the lock transparent pixels to color the figure white. Here is the picture to show you the transition from figure cup ZA to figure cup ZB. Inserting opaque layers. I duplicated figure cup ZB and name it figure cup ZC and place it on the 5th frame of the track. I reduced the opacity of figure cup ZC to 50%. Then I duplicated figure cup ZC and insert figure cup ZD on the 6th frame of the track, and I reduced the opacity of figure cup ZD to 20%. I duplicated another layer and name it figure cup ZE and insert figure cup ZE on the 7th frame of the track and reduce the opacity to 0%. Here's the transition from figure cup ZB to figure cup ZC. Here's the transition from figure cup ZC to figure cup ZD. Here's the transition from figure cup ZD to figure cup ZE. Reverse animation. If you like your object to reappear, reverse the order of your cells. I copy the figure cup ZD and insert it at the 19th frame on the track. Please take note that I only copy figure cup ZD and the first cells from the beginning and middle, and I exclude figure cup ZE. The end frame is figure copy situated in 24th frame of the track. Adding light. I add another animation layer folder, name it light, and place it above the magical appearance animation folder. I insert a new raster layer inside it. I insert the first cell, naming 1 on the 3rd frame on the track. Please take note that I insert the light during the 3/4 transition of the figure to color white. That's why I insert the cell on the 3rd frame on the track. I use an airbrush with a big brush size 250 and color white. I duplicate the layer with the name 2. I insert 2 on the 4th frame of the track and increase the amount of white colored to enhance the glowing effect. Here is the picture to show you the transition from 1 to 2 with light. I duplicate the layer 2 and name it 3 and lower the opacity of the layer to 50%. I insert the cell 3 on the 5th frame of the track. Here is the picture of the transition from 2 to 3. I duplicate layer 3, name it 4, reduce the opacity to 0%. I insert cell 4 on the 6th frame of the track. Reverse light animation. Tip: you may reverse the order of the light animation by copying each cell and inserting them to your desired frame. I change the order of the light during the reappearance transition of the figure by copying each cell. Please take note that I insert cell 2 in the 21st frame on the track, followed by 1 on the 22nd, 3 on the 23rd, and 4 on the 24th frame. Save and export animation. Save your file to clipstudiopaint format file. Click File, Save Duplicate, and Clip Studio Format File. Before exporting, change the frame rate to 20 FPS. Click Animation, then Timeline, then change frame rate. Export the animation to movie or choose in the options. There are various animation methods to try and apply in your animation project. Check out the links and read the other tips from clipstudiopaint Tips Official to know more about animation. I insert them below in the description box. Thanks for watching.